In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block adult websites on an Android when you or your kids are browsing on your device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Chrome. Then make sure you are signed into your Google account here, and then first off we need to tap at these three dots and then head over to settings. On settings we need to get into privacy and security, and that's where if we scroll down a bit we can easily find use secure DNS. First off, guys, we need to activate that option, and then most likely in your case by default it is set to use your current service provider. We need to select choose another provider, then tap right here at that arrow and select clean browsing family filter. Once we have selected that option, it will automatically filter all the websites that looks like adult, so that's how you can easily protect you or your kids from adult content on that particular device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.